Hey friends, if you encounter unknown NT operating system code 10 detected error in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced options. Click on optional updates. You'll find driver updates here. Select them and then click on download and install. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.